everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am excited because spring has sprung. We are beginning our spring cleaning, and what better way to start it by this collab here. I am hosting the What's in Your Cleaning Caddy. This was an open invite to anyone who would love to participate. All I asked is that you share your cleaning caddy, share some of the products that you love, that you use in your home, and you may even want to share a tip or two. Today I will be sharing not only one, but two cleaning caddies with you. So I'm not going to ramble on. I'm just going to jump right in and share with you my cleaning caddies. Stay tuned. Alright guys, caddy number one here. This caddy floats around the house with me when I clean. So I'm going to start off with some disposable gloves. These are from Walmart. It's the Great Value brand. You can pick up disposable gloves anywhere. I also have the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. These are so good for your baseboards. Good tip right there. Good to clean your baseboards and so many other things in your home. Now a product that I truly love, and I actually need more, is this Zep shower tub and tile cleaner. I find this at Lowe's and at Home Depot. This is good for your shower. I use this with a tall brush and scrub my shower with this. This product works in minutes, guys. You spray it on and let it sit for a minute or two, and it does a lot of the work for you. Right here I have a squeegee. I do not have a glass shower door in this home like I did in my previous home, but I love to use this on my windows. It can be used on your mirrors as well if you want to. Speaking of mirrors, I stand by this product at Dollar Tree. This foaming action glass cleaner, glass and surface cleaner. It foams up and it cleans very well. I've been using this for years. And there's another product from Dollar Tree that I do not have in here because I think my hubby took it. Is that awesome spray. You can buy it from Dollar Tree. I think Walmart have it in there also. Now, awesome spray from Dollar Tree is what their name says. It's awesome. But I do not have it in this caddy because hubby uses it outside as well and on our cars. Love my carpet. When I don't feel like making my own carpet freshener, I use this. And notice this is apple cinnamon because I love the apple cinnamon scent year round, especially the apple. Love that scent. Right here, I love this on, and another product that you will see in my other caddy here. I love using this liquid gold on my wood furniture, especially my dining room table. All right, love this product, liquid gold. And Ajax. Ajax is one of the cleaners that I love to use for my sinks and my tubs, etc. It's a very good product, and I love to use that as well. Back here is some Lysol. This is one of my favorites as well. This and Fabuloso. I love both scents, both products. So when I'm not using Fabuloso come first. This is a true second. Lysol multi-surface cleaner. And if I'm not using this, if I'm not using vinegar and water on my floors, I'm using this on my floors also. Moving things around here. This little brush here I picked up from Grove Collaborative. I love shopping for Grove Collaborative, mainly for the Mrs. Meyer's products that you do not see in this caddy here. I mainly use those products by my sink and sometimes in my bathrooms. I'm going to venture out this year more from the Mrs. Meyer's products and use other products, but this brush here comes in handy for little crumbs, little tight places that you need to sweep something up. This brush comes in handy from Grove Collaborative. And for spots in the carpet, we have carpet upstairs. I have area rugs downstairs. This comes in handy. The Resolve High Traffic Foam Carpet Cleaner. All right. And I have 2 packs of these in this caddy here. And this is the electronic wipes. I wipe down my TVs and laptops and different things with these wipes. These wipes came from Dollar Tree. They are good as well. Now, something I just added in here because I want to really, and I've been saying this for a couple of years now, I really want to start DIYing my cleaning products. So I have these bottles here that I picked up from Grove Collaborative. No products are in them yet, all right? But I plan on either DIYing my products, which I really want to do, or buy in bulk where I can just pour these products in. But most likely I want to DIY my products. And lastly, I have my little duster here where I can hit the tops of my doors, tops of pictures and mirrors and bookcases, you know, what have you. This comes in handy. Love this thing. Pick this up from Marshall's. And of course, a gal loves her red. So I have my cleaning products in this red caddy by Sterilite that I've also picked up, I think, from Walmart. And it's very large, and you see how many products I have in it. I'm gonna put this in too by Sterilite. I have a lot of things by Sterilite in red, if you love red, guys. This caddy, a mop bucket, laundry baskets to name a few. Yeah, but I picked this caddy up in red from Walmart. So this is my first caddy. The second caddy I'm showing is a caddy that I just put together only because of the products, and I'll let you in on that in a minute, so stay tuned. Okay guys, and my second caddy I love because it really coordinates, guys. I walked in Target one spot and could have lost my mind. All the cute cleaning pieces that they had in there, oh my goodness. And can you believe I picked up something other than red, all right? But I couldn't pass up this. Love these gloves in here. These beautiful gloves. This was a Target One Spot find. Very pretty with this floral. I have my brush. This was a pack of 2 in the pink and gray for scrubbing. And I have it hanging on there. They had the coordinating sponges. Oh my goodness, isn't this adorable here? Picked up these. Actually, I picked up 2 sets, and I think I'm gonna pick up more to have, just to have. But I'm gonna start over here. I have a roll of trash bags that I have here for my smaller trash cans, like in my bathrooms, or if you have one in your room, or if you have an office, you can put the small one in there. I have these, and I've stocked up on these a while ago from Dollar Tree. Also, speaking of Dollar Tree had this Clorox multi-purpose cleaner, the spring. This smells so good. I walked by this scent for weeks, and I hate I did. And actually, I'm going to pick up a bigger bottle in this, because right now I'm loving the smell in my home. So I picked up that, as well as the bleach, as well as the wipes, the Clorox wipes. Back here, Target Spot, they had the microfiber cloths. So I picked up 2 of them in this floral pattern. So pretty, so pretty. And then I have some Windex. I picked this up years ago as well, in this pink bottle here, the touch up, where you just pump it, put your some paper towels or whatever, put your paper towel right there and pump it, and it'll bring up the cleaner. So I have that in here. And then moving over here, now this is my absolute favorite furniture polish. It's actually a multi-surface cleaner, and this is so hard to find, but I can find it in Dollar General. And it's the Swiffer Dust and Shine multi-purpose spray. I love using this on my wood furniture as well, but I mainly use it on my stainless steel. My stainless steel in my kitchen shines when I use this. And I have my Comet back here, my Comet cleaner that I have here, and a larger dust and broom set from Target. And this caddy here is also from Target. I picked this up last year, clearanced in Target. Love that it's just a clear. I love that it's just a clear caddy that if I wanted to change out, if I wanted to coordinate and change out anything like I have done here, it will be easy to coordinate with this. Love this caddy. So now I'm going to take one. I'll have a caddy upstairs as well as a caddy downstairs. Love it. So that is both of my cleaning caddies. Well guys, that is the end of this video. If you would like to participate in this challenge, it will be open. I will have a playlist that you can add your own videos to. The link to the playlist will be listed in my description box down below. And talking about that playlist will be filled with so many of my YouTube family. You will enjoy them and you will be inspired by them too. If you've enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. Please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, what are you waiting on? I would love for you to become a part of this family here by pushing that subscribe button and subscribing to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. I can also be found on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Take care.